Hello everyone, hope you all doing well and welcome back to our Windows Server 2022 Beginners video series on MSFT Webcast. In this video, we will see the steps on how to enforce group policy objects link in Active Directory. GPOs can be linked at site, domain, OUs and child OUs. By default, group policy settings that are linked to parent objects are inherited to the child objects in the Active Directory hierarchy. For example, by default, the default domain policy is linked to the domain and is inherited to all the child objects of the domain hierarchy. A user or a computer in an OU can have multiple GPOs applied to it. For example, local group policy, GPOs linked to the site, GPOs linked to the domain, and GPOs linked to the OU. Also, multiple GPOs can be linked to any of these containers. GPO inheritance lets administrator to set common set of policies to the domain level or site level and configure more specific policies at the OU level. GPOs inherited from parent objects are processed before GPOs link to the object itself. In case of any conflicts, the policy settings configured for the GPO with higher precedence override the GPO with the lower precedence. However, this behavior can be altered using the block inheritance option. To block inheritance and apply only the policy settings configured in GPOs linked to a particular OU, right-click the OU and select Block Inheritance. This will block all the policy settings from GPOs linked at the domain level, site level, and parent OUs. In the last video, we learned about the group policy block inheritance option. The link to that video is given in the description. In this video, we want to enforce the group policy object. GPOs can be enforced so that the GPOs linked to a higher level container like domain or a parent OU takes precedence over the GPOs linked to a lower level container. For example, if you apply a GPO to domain and check the enforce option, then this policy will be enforced to all the child objects in the Active Directory and takes precedence of child GPO objects even if you have configured another similar GPO child object with a different value. GPOs that are enforced will be applied to a lower level container even when the block inheritance option is enabled for that container. You can verify this if you select OU and go to the Group Policy Inheritance tab. Enforced GPO are rarely used. Most often, they are needed when some OUs are configured to block inherited GPOs from parent OU. Policies with the enforce flag override blocking. The enforce flag policy applies to all underlying OUs no matter how deeply they are nested. For this demo, we have single domain Active Directory forest named msftwebcast.com. This is our Windows Server 2022 domain controller for msftwebcast.com domain. Log on to a Windows Server 2022 domain controller using a domain administrator account. We are using the same setup as we used in the last video. In fact, we are continuing from where we left off in the last video. From the Server Manager's tool menu, select Group Policy Management. In this example, we have an OU named HR. We have linked a GPO named HR Baseline GPO to HR OU. Under HR OU, we have another child OU named HR Users. We have linked another GPO to HR Users OU. In the previous video, we have blocked GPO inheritance at HR Users OU. You can see the symbol on HR Users which represents that we have blocked GPO inheritance at HR Users OU. So the parent GPOs are currently not applying on HR Users OU. Go to Policy Inheritance tab. As we can see, we have only one GPO which is linked to HR Users OU. As we have blocked the group policy inheritance at the HR Users OU level, the HR baseline GPO is currently not applying to users who are stored under the HR users OU. If you still want to apply the HR baseline GPO to users who are stored under the HR users OU, then you have to use the enforced option with HR baseline GPO. So for the purpose of this video, we want to enforce the HR baseline GPO. Before we enforce the HR baseline GPO, let's go to Windows 10 client computer to check the current settings. Sign into this computer using Deepak Patel's user account. Deepak Patel's user account is stored under HR users OU. Open File Explorer. We can see the map drive. This means the GPO linked with HR users OU is applying successfully. Open Run menu, type Control and hit Enter key to open Control Panel. The Control Panel is accessible to the user at the moment. This means that the GPO linked to HR OU is currently not being applied on this Windows 10 computer. Open Run menu and type rsop.msc and hit Enter key. Let's right-click on User Configuration and select Properties. As we can see, currently only one GPO is being applied on user Deepak Patel. Let me select these checkboxes. And here we can see HR baseline GPO is there, but it is currently blocked. Why? Because we have blocked the inheritance of GPO at HR users OU. Let me close everything. Let's enforce the HR baseline group policy and later check the results on this Windows 10 computer. Go back to Domain Controller. To enable the GPO Enforce option, right-click on a particular GPO and click on Enforce option. In our case, right-click the HR baseline GPO and select the Enforce option. We can see different symbol on the HR baseline GPO. This symbol represents that the GPO is currently being enforced. Click on HR Users OU. As you can see, HR baseline GPO has the enforced status and applies to HR Users OU with the precedence value 1. Other policies from the root of the domain, including default domain policy, are not applied because the GPO block inheritance is still enabled for the HR Users OU. We have successfully enforced the HR baseline GPO. To see the result, let's go to Windows 10 client computer. At first, we will manually update the group policy settings on this computer. Open Run menu, type CMD and hit Enter key. At command prompt, type command gpupdate/force and hit Enter key to update the group policy settings. We can confirm that we have updated the group policy settings on this computer. Open File Explorer. We can see the map drive is still there. This means the GPO link with HR users OU is still applying. Open Run menu, type Control and hit Enter key to open Control Panel. And this time, we cannot access the Control Panel as HR baseline GPO is now applying on this computer due to the group policy enforcement. Click OK. Open Run menu, type rsop.msc and hit Enter key. Click on Close. Let's right-click on User Configuration and select Properties. Now this time, we can see HR baseline GPO is listed at first and the second is Map Network Drive GPO. If we select all these checkboxes, we can see the first GPO is HR baseline GPO and the second one is Map Network Drive. The default domain policy is still not applying. Reason is blocked. Since block inheritance is still in effect, the default domain policy is currently not applying on our user Deepak Patel. So using Group Policy Management Console, you can easily enforce specific group policy object in Windows Server 2022 Active Directory. That's all for this video on how to enforce a group policy object in Active Directory. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions and suggestions regarding this video, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.